face job with the fully heart. We and the lion them go.
So true.
We and the lion them go.
Oh, you know.
What's up, peeps? It's your girl Chrissy. Welcome to this week's episode of Pree Dis. Papine is our location for this week. Follow me as we bring you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. Let's get the show on the road. She's known for hits such as Jamaican Boy and Bubble Up. Singer Keida has a new single called Vi, and she's also set to release an EP titled Long Weekend. Let's hear more from Keida.
I'm in love with my Jamaican boy. Give me my Jamaican man. I'm in love with my Jamaican boy. Give me my Jamaican man. No man can please me like you. When I type for loving, you know what to do. You brighten up my day anytime I feel blue.
Well, the word Vi means shake it, and the song is really a song that really is supposed to evoke dance and movements, you know. The producer is Rose Summers, and it's basically his interpretation of the beat is baile funk influenced and reggaeton, so it's kind of like fusion, which I love to explore different genres, so it was right.
What was the experience like working with him?
The experience was great because I think we just have the same mindset in terms of music. I'm very explorative, if that's the correct word. As an artist, I like to explore different genres, and I think he is very much like that. He plays different instruments and kind of is attuned to, you know, your potential as an artist, which is a pleasure working with him.
I try that it I got embarrassing. No Antoinette, no Susan, attack him. If him take on none of them, me I go attack him. Again, 7, 8, 9, 10. He ma feel me lover, he ma feel me friend. The two are we together from now till then. This a chain link, yeah, coulda never end. Nah try run him head like me a mother head.
It's been such a journey, honestly, from starting out with Jamaican Boy, not really planning a music career, and ending up, you know, doing the World Cup song for 2020 cricket, which was a good experience too. To working with different artists and different producers, it's just really been a good experience. The journey has been good so far. Some of the hardest lessons I've learned as an artist, honestly, especially doing this project right now, is the business is tough and you have to be consistent and you have to be aware of what messages you're portraying and, you know, bringing forward as an artist. And I think I learned that when I released my first EP, which was mostly reggae based, and, you know, people were used to me doing a lot of dancehall. So I think people think it was a switch, and then of course taking a while to follow up with, you know, more tracks to reinforce that, yeah, I'm still here doing dancehall. So that's a lesson, and I think a lot of artists, you know, have to learn that by just experiencing it.
Can't get enough, I can't let you go. Now make another man start my show. Way back when it's how far we go, I had to let you know.
I love music, so I would never ever put myself into a box, but ideally I do mostly reggae and dancehall, but I do explore different genres as well. Some of my music is inspired by other people's experiences, some by my own. My family is like a large part of my inspiration. I think we have a very unique like story of how we were brought up and stuff, so that has influenced me a lot, as well as my siblings. From Bull Bay, when I was born, we were living in Bull Bay, which is my hometown. It's a coastal town, it's the home of surfing, it's the home of so many talented people and artists, nomads, Jamnesia, Wiki Waki Live, all of those things is in Bull Bay. But also the Haney Park, which is my dad's, where we live with my dad, and so I represent both areas, you know.
Rain a fall and breeze a blow. This another time for no go slow. Long time me a check it for you. Keep it on the low.
I think people have been expecting my album for a while because I spoke about it in some interviews, but it's been a long time coming and I am a perfectionist, so in the meantime, that's why I'm doing this project, because I really want to put that music out there that, you know, I think people need to hear. And Vi is a part of a compilation or a project or an EP, whatever you guys would like to call it. And that's basically what's happening in between me doing my debut album. I have recorded some Afrobeats tracks, and I'm playing around with a little R&B, but I'm not gonna say it's on the project yet, but it's possible. Yeah.
Better than the kind of lane, no. We taking over the dance floor. The dance floor. The dance floor. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When we come, we go hardcore. We go hardcore. We go hardcore.
Now let's hear another health benefit of drinking water, brought to you by Crystal Point Spring Water.
This health benefit of drinking water in the morning is brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. Unfortunately, when you are dehydrated, your blood will thicken up and your organs will pull fluid from the skin as they need water to operate properly. When the water is pulled from your skin will lose all of its moisture. Over time, this can completely deplete your skin and cause you to form wrinkles. If you want to look radiant throughout the day, drink water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to boost its elasticity. This health benefit of drinking water was brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
Shaney is up next, and we drop a brand new video. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Chicago, get ready for the annual Chicago Jerk Festival on Sunday, June 23rd at Washington Park, featuring live performances by Idonia, Destra,
Everybody take a jump,
Mad Cobra, Stoneboy, and so many more. Backed by Rough Cut Band and hosted by Pretty Boy Floyd and Phil Marshall. Jerk food, seafood, arts and craft, live music and kids zone. Gates open at 11 a.m. and you can purchase early bird $25 tickets online at chicagojerkfest.eventbrite.com. For more details, call 312-479-3693. There will also be a bun and patty eating contest. It's the annual Chicago Jerk Festival, Sunday, June 23rd. And it's all taking place at Washington Park, 5533 Russell Drive. Brought to you by Jabari CG Productions in association with African International House. Sponsored by Red Stripe, Western Union, True Juice, Big Up, Boom, and The Release.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning.
One more shot.
Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica.
One more shot.
Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit